Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of sound on the application of UNO. You will go to settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about UNO and you will click here. In this page of app on foil we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.